Hello, welcome to episode 3 of Simply Natto's Natto Recipes. Today's recipe is Sesame Natto. This recipe is easy to make, and all you need are a few ingredients to get started. So let's make some Sesame Natto goodness. First, prepare your natto. Second, add a splash of shoyu or soy sauce. Third, add some goma abura or sesame oil. For the fourth step, add some kosho or black pepper. And finally, let's mix everything up 20 to 30 times. 20から30回混ぜましょう. And there you have it, some sesame natto goodness. いただきます. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of Simply Natto's Natto Recipes.